Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shin from Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, Virgo, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages. Ano ang pinakamensahe sa ating mga kapatid na Virgo? There is a Knight of Swords. There's an information na magiging mabilis ang eksena with the High Priestess. Unexpected nga, mabilis at talagang hindi mo ina-adjust at hindi talaga talagang hindi inaakala, biglaan. Additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito with the Queen of Wands, there is a confident, and of course, there's a control. Additional messages. There is a Five of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin dito, some of you, there's a financial loss. Minsan nagkakaroon ka raw ng financial loss. Kailangan mo magkaroon na daw ng confident, no? Para makontrol mo yung finances mo. And of course, there's a Queen of Wands, slow and steady. Nagkakaroon kasi ng impatient dito, ha? Hinay-hinay lang, no? Huwag masyado magmadali. Slow, steady, gano'n. And of course, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. What is the Knight of Swords? There's the Wheel of Fortune. Magiging mabilis daw to. Iikot daw ang roulette, biglaan daw papabor sa iyo ang eksena. So, what is the High Priestess? And of course, there's a Knight of Cups. Wow. There's a wish fulfillment. Yung biglaan ikot, tapos biglang matutupad yung pangarap mo. Yung matutupad yung gusto mong gawin, diba? Kumbaga, a turning point of event, diba? Pag-ikot ng kapalaran. What is the Queen of Wands? And of course, there's Page of Wands, there's a good news. May magandang balita na nag-aabang sa'yo dito. At the same time, there's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success pagdating sa finances. Kumbaga nakaranas ka naman na ng pagkalugmok, pero bawing-bawi. What is the Knight of Wands? What is the Knight of Wands? Okay, there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership, slow and steady. Kailangan kalmado. Diba? Taong ito ay may makikipag-partner sa'yo. No? What is the Page of Cups? And of course, there's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. Kailangan maging balance ka, emotional, practical, and of course, spiritual. No? Kumbaga, kailangan nagdadasal ka, even kumikilos ka. Diba? Kailangan ganon. And of course, there's a Magician. There's a manifestation in God perfect time. Diba? Kumbaga, nandito yung Magician represent God or universe, 'di ba? Parang pinaikot yung ang roleta or something yung tadhana, 'di ba? Tapos biglang tumutok sa iyo yung eksena. What is the High Priestess and the Knight of Cups? There's a Seven of Wands. You are being protected and of course you are being grounded, 'di ba? Kumbaga talagang walang makakawala, 'di ba? Kumbaga sa iyo talaga pinaikot ang eksena. At sa iyo na nakatutok. What is the Queen of Wands? And the Page of Wands? And of course, there's a Moon card. There's a revelation. There's a truth reveal. And there's a dream come true. What is the Five of Pentacles and the Six of Wands? There's a Hierophant. There's an education and lesson learned. Diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, magtatagumpay ka, pero kailangan mong matuto about sa finances. Diba? Kung paano mo kukontrolin, kung paano ka mag-i-spend. What is the Knight of Wands and the Two of Cups? What is the Knight of Wands and the Two of Cups? What is the Knight of Wands and the Two of Cups? Angel Spirit, guys, please pick me a card. There's an emperor, be mature enough and being grounded. Pagdating sa relationship, dapat hindi lang pakiligti. Kailangan nag-iisip kayo about kung paano kayo mag-grow together. What is the Page of Cups and of course the Two of Pentacles? Because there's a Seven of Cups, there's a lot of opportunities coming in for you. Para sinasabi sa'yo dito na huwag ka dapat naguguluhan. Diba, kailangan on point ka dapat, kailangan maging balanse ka, ganon. Kumbaga, hindi mo kailangan guluhin yung isip mo. So, what is additional outcome? Outcome is the Strength card. Strongest energy na kailangan mong tapangan, magkaroon ka ng confident. And there's a Tower moment. Hindi ka dapat matakot masira, 'di ba? Ang mga bagay or sitwasyon na nangyayari ay mangyayari. Kumbaga, strongest energy na kapag may nasisira, syempre may mabubuo. Ganun 'yon. Kumbaga, there's an opposite. So ibig sabihin may mga bagay naman nangyayari sa buhay mo na magaganda at may mga bagay man na pangit. At least sinasabi sa dito, there's a balance. Kumbaga, there's a sudden changes coming in for you. May magbabago daw na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Mag-focus ka daw sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. At matatanggap mo what you deserve with the Four of Cups and the Judgment. It's a wake-up call, no? Parang ginigising ka sa katotohanan. Na you need to take an action. At the same time, there's a King of Wands na kailangan kontrolado mo, no? Kailangan kontrolado mo yung eksena mo, yung emotions mo, yung finances mo, yung love life and career mo. At the same time, there's a Nine of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance with the Power of the Deck. See? Kumbaga, kapag ikaw ang kontrolado at hawak mo yung eksena, kumbaga, mararanasan mo yung masaganang buhay. So, let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? There's a truth, no? Yung katotohanan ay may lalantad na. And of course, there is a shadow side. There's a moon darkness. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a revelation talaga. May revelation kang malalaman dito. Ay baka yung sinasabing truth na, kumbaga, yung biglaang mangyayari na hindi mo inaasahan. Okay. There's a Leo, Aries, sa Sagittarius sign na involved sa'yo with the fire sign. No? May involvement sa'yo with the fire sign. Some of you, baka person mo yan. So, what is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? And of course, there is the Grim Reaper. So, there is growth and transform your life. No? Bigla ang pagbabago sa buhay mo. And of course, there's a relationship is over. No second chances. There's a soulmate connection. May taong nakalaan para sa'yo. No? May taong darating para mahalin at hindi ka nang basta pakiligin. And of course, there's a chaser. Yung taong pipiliin ka. Yung hindi takot, no? Hindi takot na mahalin ka at takot na wala ka. Ganon. Ganon yung masarap, ti. So, what is our romance angels? What is the romance angels? What is the romance angels? Honeymoon. So, some of you enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Some of you baka may ano dito, honeymoon. And there's a children's, no? Minsan sa relationship or sa sitwasyon natin, minsan naiipit daw yung mga anak mo. Or if you are single man or single dad or single mom, kumbaga, some of you kailangan mo tutukan din yung anak mo kasi naiipit sila sa situation. And forgiving and learning, no? May mga bagay na matututunan ka at malalaman, no? As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Kumbaga darating yung taong mamahalin ka. So there's an honeymoon nga, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin may honeymoon, ibig sabihin may kasal. So what is the energy? Yung handang ipaglaban ka, diba? And of course, there's a thinking man. Some of you, if you are Virgo man, kumbaga may tinitignan ka bilang isang diamond. If you are Virgo woman, or being Virgo mommy, or Virgo, kumbaga titas, and of course, ate, kumbaga there's a thinking man na dinitignan ka na isang tao na to bilang isang diamond, no? Kumikinang-kinang. All tied up, kailangan mo raw kumawala sa nakaraan at kumawala sa sitwasyon. And of course, there's a journey na marami ka pang mararanasan in your life journeys. So what is additional messages? There's a regret, no? May mga bagay na parang nanghihinayang ka, No, may mga bagay na parang nagsisisi ka pero hindi mo na mababalik ang nakaraan. And of course, there's a blame, no? Wala ka ibang sisisihin kundi yung sarili mo sa lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyari sa buhay mo. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a full moon, completions and culminations. See? Magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment at kaliwanagan sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. Parang truth reveal or katotohanan, di ba, sa likod ng mga natatagong sikreto. And of course, there's a purple clairvoyage, third eye, no? Some of you may malakas ang pakiramdam o there's an spiritual abilities na kung di malakas ang pakiramdam, nakakakita or nakakakita na mangyayari or there's an intuition or visions. And of course, may spiritual abilities. May baka na nakakapag-astral ka. So, what is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Be bold and make the first move. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, no? Ikaw yung magpa-first move sa eksena na to. Kung gusto mo makuha yung isang bagay, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. What is Archangel Michael messages? Forgive yourself, you done nothing wrong. Patawarin mo rin yung sarili mo, wala ka naman daw ginawang mali. Nagmahal ka lang sa taong mali. And of course, lean on God and angels support you. So, ibig sabihin dito, magpatuloy ka lang kasi ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit, rather si God, no? Binibigyan ka ng information dito na kumbaga pinapaalam sa'yo na it's a part of your journey. And because this is your life purpose. See? Naranasan at naramdaman mo yung mga bagay na yan kasi kasama siya sa buhay mo. No? Yung mga bagay na yan, matututunan mo, yung mga bagay na yan, malalaman mo. Diyan kanya patitibayin at palalakasin. And of course, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka raw, ha? Magpatuloy ka and trust. Magtiwala ka kay God. Magtiwala ka sa ating universe na i-align ka niya sa mas maganda at pasabog na eksena. So, what is the Jesus-loving quotes? What is the Jesus-loving quotes? Watch and pray that you not enter into temptation. Ibig sabihin dito na magdasal ka at pagmasdan mo na mailayo ka sa mga tukso at hindi magagandang eksena. So, what is angel's number? What is the angel's number? Okay, thank you. There is an 8. I am successful. So, at the end of the road, magiging successful ka daw. So, let's see what is the meaning of this. Your talent for setting and reaching your goal is like no other. You are self-sufficient and capable of achieving your ambitions. Be representing the even flow, the infinite loop of your creation. So, ikaw yung gagawa or ikaw yung didikta o ikaw magkukulay na sarili mong pahina, no? Kumbaga, nasa sayo ang susi para sa tagumpay. Tandaan mo, at the end of the road, mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo from the past few months and the past few years, no? Kumbaga lahat ng mga naranasan mo yan, there's a consequences and of course, there's an harvest time. So, let's see what is angels, Archangel messages. Sino sa Archangel ang gumagabay sa'yo? There's Archangel Freminilek. Be conscious, be conscientious, and be cooperate with others for the highest good. Kailangan daw, kumaga ini-encourage ka nitong Archangel para kailangan mo makipag-coordinate sa mas bagay, yung mga bagay, or kailangan mo malaman yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo in the near future. Yung mga, kung paano ka mag-grow, no? Kailangan mo makipag-cooperate daw. So, what is additional messages? 3 card, Angel Spirit, 1 more card. Okay, thank you, Angel Spirit. Sorry na nga yung lalamanan ko. There's a 10 of Wands. There's a lot of obligation na nangyari sa'yo from the past, and the third, there's a tower moment. No? May mga bagay na nasira at may mga bagay na bigla ang nagbago at nawala. At sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a 7 of vessels na there's a lot of opportunity coming in for you. Maraming mangyayari, maraming matutupad, maraming ganap. No? Sinasabi ko to sa'yo, marami talagang ganap. by wheel of fortune, umikot biglang kapalaran na biglang sasayo ang eksena. Tapos bigla ang about sa love life, 'di ba? Parang binigyan ka ng pagsubok. Pagdating din sa financial, binigyan ka din ng pagsubok. Pagdating sa love life, binigyan ka ng pagsubok. Even sa health, binigyan ka ng pagsubok. So sinasabi sa dito na kumbaga ito yung nangyayari sa iyo, it's a life of this is your life purpose. At the same time, kumbaga obligasyon, kumbaga yung mga obligasyon na nangyayari sa iyo dito, and at the same time there's a tower moment for sudden changes. May mga bagay na nasira at may mga bagay na kailangan buuin. And of course, there's a lot of opportunities coming in for you na kailangan mo yasalang-alang, no? Diretso lang daw. Sinasabi sa dito na you're on the right path, dire-diretso lang. Magtiwala ka sa process of progress. And of course, God sustain me. So let's see. As I turn each day over to God, my worries is my resistance, softness in arms of God. Love, I find inner peace in every challenging times. Today, my faith provides me with a great strength. I welcome all that comes my way, knowing that love of God sustain me. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, alam mo lahat na nangyayari sa iyo, kumbaga, with God purpose, no? Kumbaga, alam mo, God is good in God's will, no? Lahat ng bagay ay sinasabi sa inigan dito na kailangan mo lang pagdaanin yan, anak, kasi darating yung araw na mararanasan mo ulit yan, mas madali na para sa iyo yan. Diba? Ganun, kumbaga, unti-unti mong matututunan at unti-unti mo, parang magiging, parang basic to major, 'di ba? Basic to major siya. Parang at the end of the time, para magiging master ka na ng buhay mo. So, this is weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Virgo. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, guys, sa mga naka-relate, comment down below sa mga bagay, sa mga watchers natin dyan, please comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asan man kayo ngayon para sa susunod na reading natin, yung energy or yung buhay mo na ang mahagilap at masagap natin. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!